Welcome back to the channel, and today we've got something truly special. This is a 1988 Citroen 2CV6 finished in this beautifully aged pale blue. And while the paint work tells a story, underneath this car is as solid as they come. Structurally, it's in fantastic shape. It's sitting on a galvanized chassis, meaning no worries about corrosion, and the body itself is solid. This is exactly what you want in a classic 2CV. And under here we've got the legendary 602cc air-cooled flat twin engine, putting out a modest but characterful 30 horsepower. It might not sound like much, but in a car this light, it's all about the charm, the feel, and the way it just keeps going. Inside, it's classic 2CV, simple, functional, and unmistakably French. This car was designed to be light, practical, and easy to maintain. And if you've ever sat in one, you'll know it's an experience like no other. Now listen to this. That's a proper 2CV heartbeat, running absolutely beautifully. These engines are happiest when they're being used, and this one is eager to hit the road. What really sets a 2CV apart is its suspension. This is one of the most advanced setups ever put into a simple, affordable car. The front and rear wheels are connected by an ingenious interlinked suspension system, meaning the car glides over bumps with a softness you wouldn't expect. Citroen designed it to tackle rough French roads while keeping passengers comfortable, and it still works brilliantly today. So, what's next? Well, this 2CV isn't going to sit here looking pretty. This summer, we're going to take it out on the road, give it a proper run, and really get to know the car. It's going to be a fantastic trip, and we can't wait to bring you along for the ride. If you're a fan of classic cars, quirky engineering, or just love the 2CV as much as we do, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. We've got plenty more to come.